how to prepare pre-made canvas. So let's say this is a canvas which you can buy in a store, like Bias Bespoke also sells this canvas. So we're gonna put right here. So as you see, it's not enough. I'm gonna drop it a little bit down.
What's not enough? Show me
This.
close.
So if you do it like this, it's not enough here.
Wait, I'm coming around.
Yeah.
I want to see that.
So and then we should push it. It should be enough here.
Yes.
Right. Next step. Here should be straight line. Like that. So this line, let's check. Let's mark this line. It's a folding line, lapel, right? 1, 2. Then we're gonna mark waistline here. And we're gonna mark these dots. So how are we gonna mark these dots? We're just gonna put my finger here and put the cross like this, and the same here. And now we're gonna cut all the way around.
And you probably want to make sure that your roll line of your canvas matches nicely with the roll line of your jacket
Yes, I'm
fabric.
going to explain that too.
Great.
So here we can cut it. So we're preparing that jacket for the first fitting. Oops. Like this. So I mark this line and I mark the darts. Now I want to take away. So let's check let's mark to the other side. And this one also. Here we're gonna mark the dots. And we're gonna cut like this. So why did we mark on this side? So this is folding line. I'm just gonna mark it, but usually not necessary. So it's good. It's ½ inch from the from your folding line. If sometimes this is more, you should cut it to leave just ½ inch here.
It's ½ inch away from your fold,
½ inch
from your
away
roll
from-
line.
Yes, yes. So this one is like this one. For example, a little bit less, but it's fine. You can just cut it. Then in the end, why we do that is because you're gonna put the tape here when you when you finish your jacket, when you make your jacket. So we made these darts, and we have these small pieces,
You have scraps.
scraps left, and we cut it from there. Right, like that. Why do we need this? We're gonna zigzag this dots, but we're gonna put this from here and zigzag it like that. Let's go to the zigzag machine.
Okay.
Stitch mid like this. So I put this piece of fabric on there. If you don't have zigzag machine, you can use regular machine.
And you say stitch meat because
Like this.
you mean stitch to make it,
Right.
not stitch something you eat.
Yeah. Chicken, you know.
And
So,
now,
and then we're gonna cut this. And it's done. Ready.
great.
And then of course you should press it.
to make the chest shape.
Yeah.
Great. Done.
Bye. See you next time.